So here at FAU, I do a lot of research in 3D modeling. So I do research with 3D printing and digital 3D modeling. And right now I'm focusing on digital twins and making them highly immersive. And yeah. From my research experience, I have learned a lot about academic writing. I even have a published research paper. I also learned about communication in the research field, and I've also learned about making connections and networking. My research experience has pushed me to go to grad school and pursue higher education, and it's also made me want to pursue a research-based career in forensic engineering. I would really like to shout out the OURI team, Dr. C and Lauren. They've really changed my career here at FAU. They've opened my eyes to so many more possibilities that I could do with my degree and really change my future career. I would highly recommend everyone get involved in undergraduate research, but I would recommend you start early as soon as freshman year. It's such an amazing experience. You're going to want to continue throughout your entire college career, I promise.